Hello students. Today in this video we will go through the notes of chapter number 13 sound. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the proper words. A. The propagation of sound does not occur through a vacuum. B. Noise pollution is a social issue. C. The sound which is disagreeable to the ears is called noise. D. Noise has adverse effects on our health. Question number 2. What should we do? A. The silencer of a motorcycle is broken. The silencer should be repaired immediately to reduce noise pollution. Driving such a motorcycle should not be attempted. B. A factory in the surrounding is producing continuous loud noise. The authorities of the factory should be informed about the loud noise. If there is any problem with machinery, it should be repaired by the owner of the factory. If no measures are taken to prevent loud noise, then we can complain to the nearby police station. Question number 3. Write the answers in your own words. A. What is meant by vibration? The rapid oscillations of an object is called vibration. B. Explain with the help of practical examples how sound is propagated through solids. Sound propagates with a maximum speed through the solid medium. We knock at the door, the person inside, that is on the other side, can hear it clearly. Listening to a string telephone. Question number C. What measures will you take to control noise pollution? Measures for preventing noise pollution are: first point, as far as possible, we should avoid blowing the horn. Point number 2, the volume of the TV or radio in the house should be restricted to those watching the programs. Point number 3, vehicle should be maintained properly to reduce the unnecessary sound they produce. Point number 4, factories, airports, railway stations, and bus stands should be located at the proper distance away from residential areas. Thank you.